3, 2, 1. Hi, I'm Alan Clayton, and that was a focused and energised fundraising team from Together for Short Lives. Absolutely brilliant crowd. I'd love you to come along and join us at our annual lecture on Wednesday, 30th November from 2 till 5 p.m. at Glaziers Hall in London. Book your tickets, www.revolutionise.com. At this lecture, we'll be presenting the outcomes of the latest research that we commissioned from Professor Sargeant and his team, and Adrian and Kathryn from the Centre for Sustainable Philanthropy. They will present the outcomes of this huge research study into what helps recruit, retain, motivate fundraisers, and indeed what helps create focused and energised fundraising teams. And then I'll be talking and I'll be bringing experience from working with these teams all around the world and passing on a few nuggets as to what you can do to keep fundraisers more fired up, to generate money, to accelerate your fundraising, transform your fundraising. And I rather hope share the experience of many other people on how to get the absolute most out of your fundraising career, even if times are a bit hard at the moment. Look forward to seeing you, Glaziers Hall, London, Wednesday, 30th November, 2 till 5 p.m. See you soon. Bye-bye.